Hello dears, how are you all? I hope you are all too good and safe at home. I am Satyamurthy from Bharadasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakkon. Today I am going to continue 12th Mathematics, exercise number 1.1. Question number 8. If adjoint of A equal to the given 3 by 3 matrix in the first row 2 minus 4, 2. Second row minus 3, 12 minus 7. Third row minus 2, 0, 2. Find A. In the previous sums, they are asking you to find adjoint of A. They given A. Listen. Here, adjoint of A they have given. They are asking you to find A. Very simple. If they given adjoint to find A, there is a formula. Listen. In the solution, first given matrix, that is adjoint of A equal to 3 by 3 matrix. Listen, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 3, 12 minus 7, third row minus 2, 0, 2. Listen, if they given adjoint, so A, there is a formula A equal to plus or minus 1 by square root of determinant of adjoint A. Listen, yes, determinant of adjoint of A into adjoint of adjoint A. Adjoint of adjoint A. So, we need to find adjoint once again to the adjoint A given matrix. Listen, very simple. From this, first I want to find adjoint of A. So, adjoint of A determinant. Determinant of adjoint A I am going to find. Listen. So, determinant of adjoint A. So, adjoint A is what? That is 2 minus 4, 2 minus 3, 12 minus 7, third row minus 2, 0 plus 2. Listen, yes. So, determinant always denoted by double bar. Listen, first element 2. If you consider this number, omit the first row and first column. So, remaining elements determinant value we need to write. So, what are the remaining values? If you omit first row and first column, 12 2s are 24. While we are taking another diagonal multiplication, we should keep minus. So, 0 into anything 0. So, no need to write, there is 0. So, if while we are taking the center value of the first row, we should keep minus. So, already one minus is there. So, minus to minus plus 4 into omit first row and the second column. So, minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Listen to this. Minus into minus plus. So, another one minus should come. 2 7s are 14 minus 14. Listen. So, the last value plus 2. So, omit first row and last column. Remaining value minus 3 into 0, 0. One minus should come while we are taking another diagonal multiplication. We should keep minus. So, already one minus is there. So, minus to minus plus 2 into 12 plus 24. Listen. So, 2 into 24, that is 48. 2 into 24, 48 plus 4 into minus 6 minus 14. What should come? Here minus 20 should come. Plus again 2 into 24, that is 48. Listen, two numbers are positive, that is plus 48 plus 48. So, what should come? That is 96. So, 4 into minus 20, that is minus 80. So, 96 minus 80 is what? Plus 16. So, plus 16 is determinant of adjoint A. To find adjoint of adjoint A, now I am going to start from the adjoint A. So, let us consider the second row, second element. Always we need to start with the second row, second element. What is the second row, second element? There is 12. So, start with the 12, 12. So, next element is minus 7. Listen to this. So, first element minus 3, minus 3. Again the starting element we should write once again. So, plus 12. So, from the third row, so second element is 0, 2, minus 2, again starting element 0. So, from the first row minus 4, second element is minus 4, 2 plus 2, again starting element minus 4. Once again repeat the first row. First row is what? 12 minus 7 minus 3 plus 12. Listen this, from this I am going to find adjoint of adjoint A. Listen, so adjoint of adjoint A, this is equal to, very simple to is, listen, from first 12 2s are 24, minus should come, while we are taking the cross multiplication of another diagonal, so we should keep minus, so 0 into anything 0. So first row first column over. So first row second column, that is, listen, this is over, so 7 minus into minus plus 14, plus 14, minus should come, so plus 2 into minus 3, so 1 minus should come, so minus to minus plus 2 3s are 6 plus 6. So first row third column, listen to yes, minus 3 into 0 0 and minus 2 into 12 minus 24, 1 minus should come, so minus minus plus 24, plus 24, first row over. So second row 0 into 2 0, so minus into minus plus 8, plus 8, this is plus 8, listen. So again, so 2 into 2 plus 4, take cross multiply, minus minus plus, again plus 4, listen, minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8, 2 into 0 0. So second row over. The third row, minus 4 into minus 7, that is minus minus plus 7 4s are 28, 28, so minus would come, 12 2s are minus 24. So third row first column over. 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 7 into minus 2, so minus 1 minus should come, so minus into minus plus, plus 14. Third row second element over. The last row last element, listen, that is 2 into 12 24, 24 into minus minus plus, 1 minus should come, so 3 4s are minus 12. So all transpose, all transpose, listen to yes, so 24 14 plus 6, that is 20 plus 24 plus 8, 4 4 8 8, listen, 28 minus 24, there is 4, remaining is 4, minus 6 plus 14, minus 6 plus 14 is what? So plus 8 should come, listen, 24 minus 12 plus 12. Listen, here 4 is common, 4 is common in the all rows, so I want to take out that 4. If I want to take out 4 into 6 4s are 24, so 6, 5 4s are 20, 6, 2, 2, 2, the last row 1, 2, 3 4s are 12. Adjoint of adjoint, adjoint of adjoint A equal to transpose the given matrix. So 4 into, now transpose the column, so 6 to 1, first column changes first row, from the second column 5 to 2, 5 to 2, third column 6 to 3, 6 to 3, this is third column. Listen to yes, very simple. Now I am going to find A. So already we know the formula, A equal to 1 by square root of determinant of adjoint of A into adjoint of adjoint A, adjoint of adjoint A, very simple. Listen, from this 1 by determinant of adjoint A is 16. 1 by square root of 16 into adjoint of adjoint A is 4 into 6 2 1 5 2 2. So, 6 2 3 from this. So, square root of 16 is what? 4. So, 1 by 4 into 4. So, first row 6 2 1 5 2 2 6 2 3. Listen, this 4 4 will cancel, remaining is what? So, A matrix is 6 2 1 5 2 2 6 2 3 is the required matrix A. That is it. Dear students, below this video we have given study material, self assessment question paper and question bank and YouTube link PPT. So, go through it and write self assessment test and send it to the school WhatsApp. Thank you.